Alright, one last stop over here before we mosey on down this trail somewhere. I went climbing over on the cliffs over here, working my way down there. I don't actually feel like looking for any beach class right now because I actually wanted to enjoy hiking this trail as the sun sets. It's been a foggy day here all day. I was actually saying how long it's been since I have been to the beach when it was like wintertime, and I think the weather's kind of fun when it's wintertime. What in the world? Look at this. What's that all about, do we think? I bet it smells good. I'm not even gonna sniff it, it's so suspicious. How cool is that? Neat. Alright. Ta-da-la-la-la. Ta-da-la-la-la. Yellow flowers along here.